Hi, this is Rob McCarthy with SkipperBud's at Macrae Harbor. Today we're looking at this 2015 Rinker 276 Captiva cuddy cabin. It's in excellent shape for the age. Upholstery's in excellent shape. One differentiating factor on this boat is it's got 30 amp power and a battery charger. So here's what it looks like from the outside, and in a minute I'll take you through inside. Before we go down below, here on the transom, we've got storage underneath both of these port and starboard aft facing seats. Convenient walk-through. Storage here, very deep. Storage on the port side. And then you can do the filler cushion that fills in and makes the sun pad out of the walkthrough. Now there's a full mooring cover that I took off, but the boat also has a camper enclosure. So all this can be enclosed. The boat's got 110 hours. Again, very little wear and tear on the seats. All in very nice condition. Here's another look at the dash. Very well laid out. There's a Raymarine chart plotter. Again, the boat's got 110 hours. Bolster in the seat. This is with the hatch, engine compartment hatch up. It's powered by a 350 mag Merc Cruiser. All right, here's one more overview before we go. Why don't we get you out here to Macrae, inspect the boat. We get an accepted offer on it, and we'll get you out on the lake for a sea trial. This is Rob McCarthy with SkipperBud's at Macrae Harbor. 248-881-7124 is the best way to reach me.